Deepika Padukone. Actress par excellence, Sonakshi Sinha. And ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Salman Khan. And of course, the youth icon, Tiger Shroff. Priyanka? Yes.
I've forgotten for a second. Thank you, Farhan, for reminding me. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, staff.
Hello, Priyanka.
How have you been? Been there, done that?
No, man. Still trying to do that.
Okay, cool. I'm very, very happy to be here. Thank you.
Now, you've been an integral part of the IFA Awards. क्या करूं, पैसा नहीं है रुमाल के लिए सर. और you've had a lot of moments with the IFA Awards. This is the first time we're going to be in Spain. What would you like to tell your fans?
Well, sabse pehle, I'm very, very happy to be here. Whenever the film industry comes together and the fans come together for the IFA Awards, it's such a unique feeling क्योंकि हर जगह हम अपनी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को ले जा सकते हैं and वहाँ के fans experience कर सकते हैं हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को. So IFA is a very, very unique idea and I'd like to congratulate them. I've been a part of it almost every year. And performing on the stage is always exhilarating, especially when such tremendous people come together. So this year will be no different. Powerhouse performances and incredible awards. I'm looking forward to it. Thank you.
Sonakshi, would you like to tell us a little bit about your performance as well?
I think I should because I'm hi everybody. I'm paying tribute to one of the most amazing, one of the most legendary, one of the most iconic Indian actresses Indian cinema has ever seen, Sridevi ji. And I'm super excited because I remember when I was a kid, every fancy dress competition I went to, I used to dress up like Hava Hawaii. And this time I'm gonna get to do it officially on the stage of IFA. So I'm very excited, a little bit nervous because those are some really big shoes to fill. But I'm gonna try my best. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it.
Tiger, I'm sure you're ready to go as well.
Yeah, I'm very excited, very nervous to be performing alongside such big superstars. And if I talk about my performance, I'll be starting with my inspiration, Michael Jackson. I'll be paying a tribute to him. And after that, I'm paying tribute to my idol in the industry, Hrithik sir. And then I'm doing my same old boring songs. I hope you guys enjoy that.
Deepika, looking as lovely as ever. Would you like to give us a sneak peek into your performance as well?
Sneak peek? First of all, good evening everyone. I think I had a special year last year with Piku and Tamasha and Bajirao Mastani. So the idea I think really is to sum it up with all those movies and primarily performing to all my songs from, okay I'll say, from all three, but actually not all three, actually only from Bajirao Mastani.
Salman, your association with IFA, please.
Good evening, guys. I know it's been a long evening, so I'll make it really quick, short. I'll have to. Knowing me, the shorter I keep it, the better it is.
He's talking about his hair.
Great job, dude.
Happy 50th birthday. Happy 50th birthday. 50th. Your 50th birthday celebration.
थोड़ा सा लेट नहीं है मैडम?
To
Spain? It's to Spain. This is my second time in Spain. I've done concerts here earlier, quite a few years ago. But today, whoever I am, whatever I am, wherever I travel, whatever my position is because of a Spanish man. He was like a father figure to me. Father Aliu. He was my school principal. He's no more. We absolutely loved him in school, and God bless his soul. So that is where my Spanish connection comes from. I don't speak it, but I understand you people clearly. And I know that you want me to shut up right now and get out of here, so I shall do that. क्या सवाल था आपका? जल्दी जल्दी पूछो.
बोल दिया सर जो पूछा था.
ठीक है. So it's going to be a average, normal performance. I mean that you can expect out of me. It'll be kind of entertaining if I don't forget stuff. Even if I do, I know you guys are very forgiving. You will forgive. And if I really mess it up, then they have pretty faces like Deepika, a very handsome man, Shahid here, Farhan, Priyanka, Sonakshi, Tiger. They will insert all the close-ups clapping and stuff like that. So eventually on television, it will look incredible. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Salman. Thank you so much. Thank you. There are a few plaques that we have to give to our sponsors. So I'd like to call Dr. Deepak Nam Joshi on stage, who's been very supportive. Doctor, can we please have you on board? Give it up for Dr. Deepak Nam Joshi, and I request Deepika to present the plaque to him as well.
Before we do all these plaque वगैरह, I came late. I'm really sorry. It was a long flight, and
We still love you.
I missed the trailer of Nitya. Can we please play it again so I can see it? So, you guys stand here if you want. No, if you don't want to see the promo, the trailer again, if you don't want to see it again, then stand here. Then stand. ये सब वापस से ट्रेलर देखना नहीं चाह रहे. ये दोनों अब्रॉड चले गए, बाहर की पिक्चरें कर रहे हैं. इनको हिंदुस्तान सिनेमा से कोई लेना देना नहीं है.